Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, and let me get my words together. If you haven't noticed, I actually changed my name from the Curvy Planner to just my first and last name, which is Annabelle Olguin. It's something that I've been wanting to do for some time, but I was always like so sad at letting go of the Curvy Planner, but it's official. I am now just Annabelle Olguin. It just makes more sense because I love doing like lifestyle as well as planner content. But anyways, what we have today is just actually planner content, and I ordered this on Friday. Pretty sure it was Friday, and it's already here. It's Monday. It got here so quickly. But this is a collaboration box with Kell, so Kell of a Plan and Whimsy Luxe, which is a shop owned by Marielle. And they are both amazing people. Love them so much, and I am so excited for this because it's something that I enjoy doing. I love junk journaling, and I figured we could do a quick little unboxing together. So this is the box. Now, it did come with this little bag, which is like, you guys, I have to say, I'm so sorry. It's just like I am so out of breath like all the time. It's crazy. I don't know what this is. It's like fuzzies. But this is a bag that came with the box for your junk. So you can obviously open this up and put your junk in here, which I think is so awesome because it too is like extra spacious. So like it actually goes, it's kind of like 3D effect out here. But love that. I keep my junk in this Stony Clover bag, but honestly, I think I am going to switch over because I think it would be actually really like a lot more spacious. It's even bigger, and along with that, it's even actually like wide. So I'm really excited for that, and I can't wait to do that. So we'll probably do that at one point together. But the next thing is the box, and this is mainly what I wanted to open up with you all because I'm so excited. So it comes with, which you can use for junk journaling. It's like tissue paper, so I'm pretty excited about that. It comes with a little clip, so you can use this to clip down your junk, oh my gosh, your journal, which is like really perfect. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So you can clip down your journal, have it like each page on each side. This is really cute. I like this a lot. And you can even like add gems or add like letter beads, like put like your name on it and like just bedazzle it, like make it look super fun for you. And another thing that I was really excited about because I love these so much is a reusable sticker book. This right here is going to be so fun. I like that it's small and that it has a lot of pages, but you can use this to put your stickers and carry it with you anywhere. My current journal is pretty small, and I feel like this would be perfect to carry around together, so I'm really excited about this. This is the sticker book, but the sticker book, we're going to flip through it together, so I'll wait for that. And this is an actual little junk journal. Now, one thing I'm excited about, wait, this is textured kinda, like, this is so pretty, and like, I love the cover, and even the inside of the cover. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I've been wanting to switch to an A5 for my junk journal. I just think it would make a little bit more sense to be able to make spreads that are a little bit bigger. My current setup is in a traveler's notebook standard size, so it's like about that big, which makes it a little bit smaller and easier to fill up a page. But I want to try an A5, so I'm really excited to try this as a junk journal for sure. And then we have the scrapbook paper, which actually is so awesome because like look at all of these fun scrapbook pages that are in a book for you, and you can tear out the page, and they're front and back, so you can use however you want. And I mean, the patterns are just so fun. I'm excited. I love the gingham, so I'm really excited about using that. Look at the bows. Look at this one. Gosh, I wish we had 2 pages of that one. It's giving Christmas too. Oh wait, we do have 2 pages. Yes, of course. Oh, and you have a sticker. So a Heather Kell, well, Kell of a Plan and Whimsy Luxe sticker for your junk journal. We have the glue tape, which this is so cute because this is perfect to put in your, and it's already pre-filled, and it comes with refill. So yay, I'm excited for that. And then you also have, I'm pretty sure these are scissors. Let's double check. Cute, they are scissors. Has the little safety thing on it, right? Is that what it is? How do these work? I'm confused. I am so confused. Not me thinking like, well, maybe if I close them and reopen them, I'll be able to do that. I think this needs to come off. How does this work? Oh, there it goes. Okay, so they're just a little harder. Gosh, I'm so glad I didn't remove that. So I think just with use, they'll start opening up a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these. And so you just open them up. Cute. Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead and flip through the sticker book. And I'm going to keep the box because I wanted a junk journal with it. I love separating like like cardboard from the actual top layer. And I figured I could do that with this. So we'll probably make a spread together at one point. Okay, now let's go ahead and flip through the sticker book. Okay, let's flip through this. This is like, I'm sorry, you guys, I'm so like out of breath. Like, I don't know what's wrong. Well, I do know what's wrong. It's literally that I'm pregnant, but this is the sticker book. Even the cover is so cute. Oh my gosh, they did such a good job. And then obviously you have cute stickers. These are really pretty. How fun. I want to make some of these, but I'm not really good at like stuff like this. Like I don't have ribbon and stuff, and I should probably get some. Stars, cute. And then you have a silver page. Oh, look at the cute little fringe socks. The AirPods Max. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I love how they're like realistic looking and not just like, I don't know, like drawn on stickers. Oh, look at the needle point. That's so cute. I think these are transparent, it looks like. Fun. You have some quotes. This one's so pretty. We need a sticker book of just like all of these. Snacks. You have some fruit, some drinks, tea time. Thought that would be easier, but it's not. This is a really cute mug. This one right here. Coffee. Ooh, these are really pretty. I actually have like guest books that I use for junk journaling. Like, so this is perfect because you have it like in a sticker. You don't even have to worry about sticking it because it's already on sticker paper. This is like a pink theme. Oh, that's so pretty. Isn't this? I'm pretty sure this is Marielle's actual junk journal, which is so cool. These are so fun. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that they put the cameras on here and then you can literally put like a Polaroid picture on here or make it look like a Polaroid picture. How fun. You have a black page. A violin. I play the violin. So cool. Oh, I love this. I need like a sticker book of like this vibe. Digital cameras, and you can even put like a picture of that size in there. How fun. Oh, look at these letters. The gingham. Oh my god. Look at these. They did such a good job. I'm dead. I'm dead. This is so cute. I love it so much. I'm so excited for them. And these pieces, I'm pretty sure they're already sold out, like the box itself, but you can get them in individual pieces. So that's something to definitely look into. So visit Kell of a Plan, and I'm sure you'll find whatever pieces are currently available. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all again next week. Actually, sooner than that because I have a vlog. Yay. Bye.